Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check if TikTok servers are down. So for this, please you can firstly open the TikTok app. So if you feel your server are down and videos are blurry and hanged and not playful really, so you will go and open the browser of Google. So you will have to search for down detector. Type down detector and space TikTok. You will type down detector and space for TikTok and just search it and open it. The first one, TikTok down current problems. So user reports indicate no current problems at TikTok for down detector. You can also go for the airplane mode and just off it and refresh your internet, so it will be resolved. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.